Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this range of videos, I'm going to be showing you how to make your home more energy efficient. And this particular video, we're focusing on insulating water pipes using foam lagging. Now these come in various different sizes. Normally, they're about 1 meter high like this one. However, the holes inside them here are different. This particular one is a 15mm gap, and that's for a 15mm cold pipe like this. They also come in 22mm wide, which is normally your hot water pipe. Now they also have a pre-manufactured cut, a slice all the way down the full length of the tube here, and that is designed for allowing you to force it around the pipe, and then it snugs nice and tight, butt up against the wall to stop any cold penetrating through into your pipes there, and at the same time, of course, keeping the heat in these pipes and not letting that penetrate through the wall. However, where we've got our brackets here, the same as this one, it's pushing it out that little bit, so that little gap potentially could let the air in or out, which is what we don't want. So all we're going to do is measure up where those brackets are, make a little mark on here, cut it out with our trimming knife, and then when that snugs around it, it'll be a lot more tighter and secure. This is going to butt up to there. However, we've come to a 90-degree bend on here. So I'll place that back up along there, and I'll have to make a mark where the center of this pipe is, which is about here. And we want to cut this a 45-degree angle. Okay, so there we have it, nice and snug around the brackets. So that 45 cut is right in the center of that joint. What we need to do now is put another length of insulation there, notch out where the brackets are, and cut that at 45 so it fits nice and snug to that. Now for an example why we cut it at 45, if we slide this up here where it's just cut flush from the manufacturer's edge and that pipe, we can never fully insulate around the corner. Therefore this is going to be exposed. So by cutting it here at 45 and there at 45, they will butt together nice and snug and keep it covered. So now all the insulation is firmly fitted around the pipes. I'm going to use some cable ties to hold it in position. Slide them through at the back, pop them through and start to pull them tight. There we go, just starts to pull in that insulation a little bit more. And take your snips, snip them nice and close down to it, and that'll keep them tight there. I'd recommend putting one on where the joints are here, so I'll put another one below there, and then again around the joints that I've cut at 45 at the bottom. So that's how quick and easy it is to insulate your water pipes to make your home more energy efficient. And if you want to see more how-to videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. But if you just want to know about the vast range of products that Silverline do, visit their website, silverlinetools.com.